Wow, you got an Australian Shepherd? Ah, these dogs are so pretty. They're so smart too. Yeah, I did. It's great. It's been great. There's this one Aussie on social media. She does the laundry and she does yoga. And one time she pulled a little suitcase behind her. It was so cute. They're so smart. Does your dog do tricks? Tricks? Oh God, you're gonna have to think of something. Why did I stop and talk to this person? God, something. What about the obedience classes? No. God, my dog is stupid. Tell her I'm smart. Tell her I'm smart. Tell her I'm smart. Yeah, she does tricks. Sometimes she'll walk right up to you and burp in your face. Ew, what? That's not a trick. Anyway, we gotta get going. So, bye.